A Georgetown University law student is the first to file a class action lawsuit against her school and a synagogue over allegations that a popular rabbi secretly recorded her on more than one occasion. Let's head to the newsroom. Will Thomas has been poring over this lawsuit. Will.
Hi, Tony. The plaintiff in the case is a third-year law school student, and we're told she traveled a great distance from her hometown to attend one of the nation's most prestigious law schools. Now, according to her claims, Rabbi Barry Freundel orchestrated a situation so that she had to participate in this ritual bath that would require her to get naked.
It appears that there were many complaints about his conduct with women, particularly young women.
It was inevitable a lawsuit would be filed. This one names the victim as Jane Doe. She's suing Georgetown University, Kesher Israel Synagogue, and the National Capital Mikveh. The victim is a law student at Georgetown who was taking a Jewish studies class from Rabbi Barry Freundel. The lawsuit claims the rabbi urged her to write her research paper about the mikveh ritual. That's a ritual bath located next to Kesher Israel. And it would require the student to participate in the immersion ritual. She did just that on 2 occasions, assuming no one was watching her stripping off her clothes. Police arrested Rabbi Freundel last month. He's accused of recording women during the ritual bath with a tiny camera hidden in what looked like a clock radio. He's charged with 6 counts of voyeurism. The lawsuit even says a staff member at Kesher Israel believed the rabbi treated the mikveh like a car wash with a parade of young, attractive women every weekend.
For him to be both a teacher, a spiritual leader, a conversion leader, and to be targeting women, particularly attractive women. And this is something that people were joking about and knowing about from the news reports and from what we've investigated. So I think that we have here a real gross invasion of privacy.
The attorneys for the plaintiff told me they have no idea if their client was recorded naked because law enforcement hasn't confirmed that to any of the women. This lawsuit really begins the discovery, where the attorneys may actually get a hold of some of that evidence to prove their client was recorded. The case is still being criminally investigated, and basically detectives are asking anyone who thinks they might be a victim to submit a photo. But imagine being one of those possible victims, wondering if you are recorded, who in the law enforcement community is looking at it for casework, and whether the footage was distributed or shared in some way before police sees the recording. So, Tony, you can imagine what these victims are going through. And, of course, the rabbi, he's not done with his court appearances just yet. He's got another one the second week of January.
Yeah, I'm sure for the victims it doesn't help matters. I mean, they want police to look at the material to see if they were victims, but, you know, that's just more people looking at all of this, so that's got to be disturbing as well.
Yeah, and the lawyer pretty much said that. I mean, they're protecting their client. They basically told me third-year law student, and she lived out of town, came a long way to go to this prestigious university, and then this happened. But they said emotionally it is very difficult because you lay awake at night wondering who's seeing it, where is it out there in the internet, and you're going to, bump into it 10 years down the road or something.
Right. All right, Will, thank you very much.
You bet.